Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do coloring on CapCut. So if you are an aspiring video editor and you only have these limited tools like CapCut, your phone, or maybe a PC, I'm going to teach you guys in this video how to do your own color grading or coloring on CapCut. So color grading is one of those essential things that you need for video editors and the likes if you are an aspiring content creator. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to do color grading on CapCut. So whatever your tools or softwares or equipments are, of course, that doesn't really matter because that won't hinder you on creating top-notch and quality videos on any other basically on your device. So basically it doesn't really rely on what specific software that you are using. As long as you are creative, you can make the most out of you can make the most of what you have. Okay, so let's dive right into the video just by going on over and switching on to our CapCut applications over here. So I currently have this video file already inputted or inserted into our timeline over here on CapCut, and what I want to do basically is to color grade. So let's go ahead and cut this part out just for this example so that I can have this only my face on here. And if you want to do coloring on here, that's going to be pretty easy because all we need to do is to tap on the video file and then go on over onto the over here on the top right corner. Now we have two things over here. One is enhance, wherein we could enhance the qualities of our face, but since what we want to do is to color grade or to do coloring, I'm going to tap on the adjustments over here, and we have a bunch of different settings for us to play with. Now, of course, the settings over here is going to be up to you and how you want your videos to look like. Of course, creativity and art is subjective, so whatever you guys could, or rather whatever you guys are aiming for onto your CapCut video edit, that is going to be up to you. But I am going to show you guys one of the basics, and of course one of those is locating where the adjustments and how to do coloring on CapCut. And then, okay, so we have already located where the adjustments and coloring is. Of course, we could go ahead and now input some LUTs, which are some presets over here that you could choose. If we go ahead onto the drop down, we have none currently. Of course, you do need to download those LUTs or LUT files from the internet, but that is currently an advanced option. One of the basics, of course, is to basically go ahead over here on adjustments. So over here, we do have adjustments where we could change the temperature, make it a little bit more colder just by sliding the slider onto the blue side, or warmer by doing it vice versa. So I'm going to go ahead and maybe change this and make it a little bit more colder, just a tad bit. You could also change the hue, make it more green or more violet. Of course, as you slide the slider, you could actually see the changes of your video. Let's actually change this playhead so that we can see a much more clearer picture of my face. That is going to be looking good for me. Basically, as you see, that is the changes that you could have on these sliders. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit more greener for my taste. Of course, I'm not really predicting or telling you guys what to do, but I'm rather showing you guys what you can do, and the creativity or the options are endless and up to you. Okay, so we could also change the saturation of this video, make it more, rather less saturated, and more saturated as well. I think I want a little bit less saturated. I think I need a little bit more brightness on this video, just a little bit. Less contrast, less highlights, and a little bit bump in the shadows. Let's remove more highlights, and let's actually remove more illumination so that my face has a little bit more color. And of course, we also have a lot of different stuff on here, but basically those are the basics. You could also edit the HSL, the curves, and also a color wheel for specific colors on your video. But that is how you basically do some coloring on CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.